All right, everyone. This is a short video on what to do if your disk space, like if you were to go to Task Manager and your disk space and CPU happens to be extremely high. This worked for me. I hope it works for you. And I also double checked that this process works in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So once again, if you find that your computer seems to be freezing a lot and snarled up, hope this works for you like it did for me. All right, so on your keyboard, there is a little Windows key. Looks like 4 little squares. You're going to want to press and hold that down while you tap the R key. Then you can let go of the keys. Now that'll bring up the run box, as you can see here. And you're going to want to type in SystemPropertiesAdvanced, just like you see it on my screen. Now it popped up on the run because that's the last thing that I typed in. Something else might be in this box whenever you bring it up, but just make sure once again that you type in system, and that's singular. So system properties, that's plural, and then advanced, and then click OK. And then you're going to want to make sure you're on the advanced tab up at the top. And then under performance, there is a settings. Now, not to be confused with these other settings, but this first settings button under performance, you're going to want to click that. Now, a lot of times it's going to actually be set for adjust for best appearance. I recommend clicking adjust for best performance, so that will easily uncheck all these boxes. That way you don't have to uncheck each one manually. And then I recommend checking the box smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. Now what this will do is that it'll make the font stay smooth. I really don't like it whenever this box is unchecked because I feel like the font gets really, really blocky and it just really irritates my eyes. So I like to keep this box checked. I also like the show the thumbnails instead of icons box checked because, well, it's just really frustrating going into File Explorer and then seeing a bunch of icons and not knowing what the picture is or what the document is. I like to actually be able to see a thumbnail of the document. All right, then you're going to click apply and then OK. I'm actually just going to, and then you can just exit out of everything. So whenever I did this, it took a bit for my computer to settle down after that. I did see immediate improvements, but I noticed a lot more improvements over the course of the next hour or so. I also recommend restarting your computer. And if restarting doesn't work, I do recommend possibly even restarting your computer several times. For example, I do this restart 3 times. I'll restart it. I'll sign in with my PIN, and then I'll wait 5 minutes so the startup programs kind of work their magic, and then I'll restart it. And then I go through that process a total of 3 times, right? Sign in with my PIN after the restart, wait 5 minutes for the startup programs, and restart the computer again. And that worked for me. So hope this helps you.